Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit a video and also how to edit said video on Framer. So as you can see, I'm already on Framer. I just downloaded a random free template from Framer. From here, I will go on the top left corner and click the insert button. From here, I'm going to navigate to the media element and click on the video component and drag it right below this get started button. From here, you can just adjust the video size as shown on the screen. You can also adjust the size of the video on the phone and on the tablet. So let me just adjust this. Yeah, that looks a bit right. And on the phone screen. Yeah, that looks fine. From here, you're going to select the video, and on the right side you've got the styles. So for my web developers and web designers watching this video, the right side is the styles options and basically the CSS, and on the left side is the elements options, basically the HTML. Here on the styles options, you're going to go down, you're going to scroll down, and on the video component, you'll find the source option. Here you can upload a video or you can just add a URL. In my case, I can't really upload the video because you actually need to have a pro version, a paid version of Framer. This is a dummy account I use for my videos. So I can show you how to add a video, but probably every one of you guys know how to upload a file. So this is basically what it says. Upgrade to pro. Purchase pro plan to increase your file upload limit. I'll just choose maybe later and add a video via URL. So I just found a random video of a husky from Pixabay. I'm gonna copy the link and I'm gonna add it here. Click enter, and here we are, a beautiful husky video. After this, we've got the playing option. Playing option is basically if you want the video to be playing once the website is loaded. So I'll choose yes and load the website to show you guys. So here we have it. The video is actually playing when the user is loaded on the website. But if you want to choose no, so the video doesn't immediately play, you have to choose the controls here on the bottom. So choose show on the controls, so that when the website actually loads and the user is on the website, the user can actually click on the video and navigate on the timeline, pause the video and play the video, play with the volume settings, adjust the screen size, and also download playback speed and picture-in-picture. After this, you've got the poster option. Poster just basically means a thumbnail. I don't know why Framer added poster here instead of thumbnail, but it doesn't matter. You get used to it. I'll click yes and I'll click upload. This is a random image I downloaded from Pixabay as well. Just a random husky image. Beautiful looking husky. For the background option, I usually leave it on, but you guys can adjust it if you want to. If there's some funky stuff going on in the background of the video, I just leave it on full zeros, just black, and don't mess with it. The radius option is to adjust the corners. So here you can adjust corners one by one, and here you can adjust all corners at once. So let me just show you. Let's put it on 50. And as you can see, the corners are a little bit rounded right now. But if you choose the edit the corners per corner, or edit the radius per corner, let me put some of these on 0. And there you go. As you can see, the top right and the bottom left corners are now sharp, while the other corners are rounded. The letters here just basically mean top left, top right, bottom left. Pretty easy to understand, pretty easy to navigate. The start time is basically where you want the video to start when the website is loaded. So at first, because this is in percentage, at first I was a little bit complicated when I was a beginner in these website builders. For example, if the video is 100 seconds, then yeah, I know that 1% is 1 second, but in this case, the video is 16 seconds. The video might be multiple minutes or maybe more. So always put the controls on show so that when you adjust the start time, you can actually see, if you can see on the screen, the navigation on the timeline. You can see the seconds. So this is a bit easier when it's a shorter video, but I've put a 10-minute video here and it was hard, very hard to adjust this, because you basically skip through a lot of seconds. So if you want to be more precise, you just adjust here, and that's basically it. Pretty easy, but I usually leave this in 0. I've rarely ever needed to adjust the start time. If I want an actual video to start from another point, I'll just cut the video. I'll just edit the video to start from, instead of being 16, I'll just make it 10 seconds and start from the 6th second from here. Next option is the loop option. So the loop option is if you want the video to loop over and over again when the website is loaded. So let me just show you guys. Play the video. Let me navigate to the timeline to the end. And there you go. The video is just gonna play and play and play over again until the user pauses the video. Or you can just put playing on yes, and you can put controls on hide, and the video will just be playing over and over again non-stop. After this, we've got the fit. I usually leave this as a cover option. You guys can choose whatever you want for your particular case, but I've never needed to adjust the fit. I just always leave it as a cover. The controls I basically showed you guys earlier. To navigate the timeline, see the seconds, pause the video, volume, and so on. And the muted option, if you want the video to be muted or not by default. In my case, I think the video is without any volume. Let me just check. Yeah, there's no volume, so doesn't really matter in my case. But if you want the video to be muted, you basically click yes, and that's basically it. So there you guys have it. I successfully edited a video on Framer. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And also, if you guys want me to cover any topic to help you guys out, any website builder, maybe some social media problems, I am here to help you guys out. Make sure to leave it in the comments down below. That's it from me, guys. Have a nice day and bye-bye.